Let's go.
I'm here at the Alligator Pond Police Station with Councillor Robinson, who has brought to my attention the difficult situation that the police at the Alligator Pond Station find themselves in. Literally from Hurricane Beryl, they have not had a working service vehicle to cover the police area, the wide police area that the Alligator Pond Station services. In fact, this is the most remote station, the furthest station from the divisional headquarters in Mandeville. For the last month, police personnel have had to use their own vehicles to respond to any emergency. They've had to use their own vehicles to bring food for the prisoners. This is a prisoner station. If there was an emergency down here, these officers would probably be held liable for not being able to address any illness, any unfortunate thing that might befall one of the prisoners. So we are here today to make an appeal to the High Command and to the Ministry of National Security. This is an unacceptable situation at Alligator Pond Station. It is unfair to the police personnel who have to man it, and it is unfair to the citizenry. Police are first responders to a whole series of emergencies, not just criminal events. It could be a motor vehicle accident, and there is nothing now to serve the citizens.
Definitely we are disappointed with the information learned that there is no service unit here. I've lobbied on many occasions for at least two, and to hear that it's none, it's quite alarming. Our safety has been compromised, and even for the justice system, for the prisoners to get to court, that also has been compromised because there's no service unit. And it's unfair to the officers who have to be using their personal vehicle to respond to some of the calls that they get. And we're calling on the Ministry of Security, we're calling on the government to intervene and let this situation be remedied. It cannot continue like this. Time come for better management.
And let me just say finally, in addition to the situation with the vehicle, you look at the compound. Beryl blew down a fence, a portion of a wall. Garbage is piled up at the station. The whole community of Alligator Pond is not serviced regularly enough. In fact, all the communities from Montpelier coming down do not have frequent garbage collection. And as you drive on this main strip, you see the garbage, the skips filled up, the barrels, everything is overflowing. Dogs, rat, everything is scattering it about. It's totally unacceptable. And it is even evident right here at the Alligator Pond Police Station.